Hello guys, we are here in the Mediterranean trying to catch some fish.
We are very hungry because we haven't eaten in days.
Yeah, so we will now catch fish. Finally, we have fish and we can start cooking. Yes, natural Mediterranean fish. Let's head to the shore. So we headed back to land now, and it's time to cook the fish. We need to flip the fish. Luckily I have the flipper. Bon appetit!
Bon appetit! Very good, very good, very good. Cheers, cheers.
Well, I for one had a nice meal.
Me as well, very enjoyable meal.
So goodbye. So I was tired after the food, so I took a nap, but I heard my brother making noises. I think he's sick. Better check it out. Hey Levi, are you okay? Do you need